bird watching at Icacos Wetlands, also known as San Jose Lagoon. This wetland is a protected area located in the southwestern peninsula along the main roadway to Icacos. There are many species of birds to be seen. Here are some I was able to capture. Common moorhen, black-necked silk, wattle jacana, flamingo, yellow-hooded blackbird, scarlet ibis. A wetland is an area where the soil is saturated with water for extended periods and supports a unique habitat of plants and animals adapted to the wet environment. Wetlands act as natural filters, removing sediments and excess nutrients from the water.